Check, check. What's going on, good people? Happy Thursday. Today is March 20th. Let's check out some levels. Oh, I definitely took everything off the chart and put that back, so we're gonna have to do new ones. Got a 15-minute level up there. We got our 15-minute level right there at around 20:13. Duplicate that. Bring one all the way down here. Get that ready up there. 20:13. And then down here is 19.773. We do have some 1 hour levels. Let's see. Am I looking at the 1 hour? Man, I just gave you a 5-minute level. That's crazy. All right, so 2142 is the supply up there, 142. And then we do have demand down here. At 19.751. All right, and we have to just do the 1 hour real quick. Now, if we duplicate that and do a 1 hour, 1 hour is right there. Yeah. All right. Make this one a little bit wider. Here's the 1 hour. Here's our 1 hour level there. Here's our 1 hour level. And here. So 19.604 is demand. Supply is up there at 20,000, I guess, right? 20,000. All right, here's our levels. We have our levels. Yeah, so these are our levels here, guys. This is our 50-day level going at the top. Take a run real quick. Yo, what's up, Ken? How are you? How you been?
Man, good to see you.
Good to see you
Happy
too.
New Year.
Happy New Year, all the good stuff, right? Work is good. Work is good. I'm on right now. Actually, gotta meet. Try to act like I'm in the office. Yeah, so that they eat too to that shit.
Yeah,
That
this
shit.
is so good.
Yeah.
So you got concrete on that side, which is good.
Yeah.
So what I was suggest, come in with this stuff, take all this out, all these stuff, still wool, and we look right there. Top. I looked out here, all the symmetric points.
Yeah.
Same thing there. Yeah, that's.
Yeah, if we close the garage too, this corner is a clear like way for them to get in. So maybe we get a new one of these. And over here, I guess.
It's really just feeling everything.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this shit right here was terrible. This was terrible. This has a huge hole, so he was like, maybe we could foam it up. So we foamed as much as we could. I don't see any chewing. But the mice, I think, is good, but something else chewed through that shit.
Yeah, but even with foam, like the apartments that I deal with, they do that shit.
The mice be going through that? That's crazy. This here, I think, is now starting to, something's different about this. So, like, this wasn't out as much. I don't know what's living in that motherfucker. But.
So, yeah, every entry point, we would just cover up.
With sheetrock? Like, just bring the sheetrock down?
I would take actual wood.
Okay.
So, I would take, like, 1x6. So, I cover all of this, and I just run from right to the right.
Okay, got you.
And then at the base of it,
okay, feel it. I think I got a mice coat over here. A little fucker there.
Yeah, I mean, you got field mice. You know?
Yeah.
You got the backyard.
They're gonna be there. Over here is a big ass hole that we did cover. Looks good.
Yep. With sheetrock you did.
Yeah. Well, I mean, they covered it with foam, but sheetrock they punched a hole through it or something like that. So I don't know what that's about, but we're getting.
Sure, Addie is like freaking out.
Yeah,
listen, my wife.
I'll be like, yo, it's only mice, bro.
I know. My wife left the house one time.
For real?
She was like, I'm fucking out.
Like, yeah, other than that, man, I want to kind of get this shit epoxied and stuff like that. So I mean, like, really get the walls painted and stuff.
Yeah, you want to? Do you guys use it? You bring cars?
We don't bring the cars in, so it'd be good to like just be able to use. But I cleaned this shit up.
Yeah, it was good. I was like, you retired from DJing.
I did not, but I kind of did. Like, I've been passing gigs on to other DJs because not busy. It's just I'm not going to Brooklyn for $350. It's gonna be a 4-hour gig, 2-hour drive, 2-hour back. That's an 8-hour day. That's a wedding.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, and then if I start drinking and driving 2 hours, I'm not doing that. I'll put my life in danger.
Possible.
Yeah.
And father,
man, I'm getting there. But if I get something out in Connecticut, no problem. Yeah. So I just have to build that base out. But most of my calls are coming from the tri-state. So
I will let you know. I do a lot of fraternity functions.
Yeah, like that's easy money right there. Like, appreciate that. Yeah. So nice.
Whole divine nonsense. I know them all.
Okay.
I'm definitely.
It'd be dope to plug in with that group too, that community, because I've been plugging in with some dads out here and stuff like that. So, yeah, it'd be dope to like just continue building that network. I want Amari to be able to like, know his people around here and shit. So yeah, let me know.
I know she's trying to get this done yesterday.
Yeah.
So, I can get in here tomorrow.
Let me know.
Start getting it sealed up. I mean, we wouldn't be able.
Yeah, the epoxy shit is like a long term.
Yeah, let's take care of the mouse problem.
Okay.
And then we'll go.
All right, let me know. You schedule something with her? I don't know what time.
I'll text you. Right. I'm gonna clear my schedule.
Gotcha.
Nah, it shouldn't take too long.
Yeah, it's really just this entire strip is closed.
I want to take a look back there.
Yeah.
These I may not be able to get them a vote. I can get them.
Can I get them on Amazon? Or
well, that's what I'm saying. We may have to order those. Maybe your Home Depot has them.
Yeah.
I just gotta make sure they're the right fit for the right.
Yeah, this shit looks easy. It's like a slide on.
Well, yeah, it's a slide on, but also.
Got you.
We'll see. I might be able to get it.
All right, let me know.
And if not, I got a garage guy.
Oh, got you.
All right.
Thanks, man.
No problem.
Yep. Good morning, guys. Looks like we short today. Good Lord. The market really did that? Bro, did we just dump like 200 points? Back to 700. That's 200 points. Yeah, yesterday's rally, like 200 points. This market can't hold water, bro. Yeah, this might be a buy area for real. 15-minute demand. I ain't touching nothing. That was a good buy. $760 to $840. This is a 100-point candle. God damn it. Oh yeah, you probably see like 4 or 5 of them right now. 100-point move. God damn. Slow it down. It should be 876. I think we got something right here too. Yeah, we're here. 876. Motherfucker. You taking the market every which way. Which up? Technically we just reclaimed the 200, so I could go long now. Damn, I ain't catch the pullback nice enough, but I'm gonna take a long risk in like 20 points here, see if the momentum continues. I'll risk it. Four. Yeah, it's funny. We all got like similarity. I got 828 and 845 as a possible pullback, but I want this to hold right here. All right, I'm in. Oh, really? This today. Today I'm gonna trade smart. Take my goddamn truck. If we look, it's a long right here, boss. Nice. Nice. We take some off the table there. I'm gonna hit my last one. Oh, you bastards. I gotta start marketing out of this trade because this is terrible. All right, good. Yeah, I took most of the risk off the table there, so just gonna see what happens on this. But 2 contracts, they'll stop. They're about to hit me break even. Don't come back too far. I'm up like 340 on a day already. I had like 200 locked in last night, so this one right here just gave me like 150. Let's see if I can get some more. Target on this thing is nice, nice. Target is 914 on this standard deviation 1. So 2 up there. Okay, cool. About to hit my break even though. Yeah, I'm not taking that out. I'm out of there. I got a sell signal that just fired too. I'm the short. They break that 953 level. We're back underneath the 200. Oh yeah. I got short. I got short at 877. Just I'm not giving it a lot of range. I'm giving it that break of the high right here and out of there. There it goes. And I am out. Might be going to that 919 that I was talking about, 914, I think. Oh, supply is coming in on the 2-minute. Oh, don't tell me I was fucking worried about this. I wonder why that short fired. There wasn't a stick. I'm not sure. Nah, the buyers got this market right now, boss. Damn, my shorts would have paid. Yeah, I'm not gonna go in again until I really see some conviction. But I think the buyers are down here trying to hold this what you call it, this supply turn demand line right now. I'm bullish right now, but do got some selling going on up there. Oh, wake up. Damn. I got short again at 82. Gonna risk this high right here. Yeah, I know, right? Depending on how strong this candle is, I'll probably even cut early. Market is kind of moved up a lot. Got this sell signal up here. No, I got a sell signal that came in up here. Supply line. I got like an actual S. It's like a supply line coming in up here. Oh yeah, I'm out. Fuck this. I'm gonna let that supply line settle before I fuck around. Keep trying to front run this. Yeah, I've been here before. Not lose too much of what we made. Oh god, yeah. Depends on how far they be trying to take it to. Yeah, yeah. Be the worst. Oh, motherfucker. This what I'm getting right now. See that? Yeah. So like we're getting nothing but buyers down there. Oh, I got a green wedge. That's a buy signal for me. But the S's that I'm getting, it's at the highs of this price action right now. Keep making higher highs though. If that demand on the yeah, because that's the market, right? Like we get in the supply line up there, so we know where sellers are at, and then we're getting support at that 200 moving average. So yeah, you're right. We're getting chopped up in this range right now, and someone's gonna win eventually, right? Looks like the buyers just keep pushing the shit up, and then they coming all the way back down, and then we getting higher highs, they coming all the way back down. But technically, I'm supposed to be bullish since we're above the 200. Yeah, I got the wedge there too. I should have ran with that. Look, another sell signal. There goes that 914 level I called. Damn, it went to D1, bro. Gotta stick to the plan. Start scaling back a little bit. All right, guys, let's play this smart, right? We reclaim the 200. Our stop is going to be somewhere below there. So like 580s. We need this shit to come back to 870s or 80s before we can enter this. No, to go long. Yeah, it just entered a push phase. So you know, I ain't gonna repeat myself from yesterday, but you know what that means. Yeah. But it's good. It's good to like recognize when the market enters that condition because now you know how to like, you know what to look for. It's just not gonna give nobody an entry, or it's gonna dump. Yeah, I got 16 days. Crazy thing is, all right, we got a supply line that's straight on the 2 minute now. That's official. Nah, you should see it up there though. The supply line. Yeah, if this push phase continues, that's probably all we're gonna get. see. Shit, too close to supply. Yeah, she's too close to supply for me. I am getting another demand line here, so I mean another green wedge. So I might jump in with you guys here, risking the lows of this area. Just want to see if I get a decent pullback. Oh, the green wedge. Don't go. Shit is crazy. Get me in that lows, bro. 95. Trying to get in before they break this area. I think this is just a flag. All right, I took that right there. Let's see what we get. Sell stop. Oh no, my 2-to-1 is my 2-to-1 isn't there. Sell stop. I got in at 905, so around Ash's entry. Yeah, I don't think we should give it more than that. I'm just taking setups, bro. they shooting, I'm taking. I'm scalping today, man. I noticed that, like, I'm taking one out. Oh, get me, bitch. Yeah, that was. Huh? Yeah. Take a look at that last picture to the left. We're above the 200 moving average. There's a green wedge. That's a go signal. So yeah, it came in when after you said you got out, it came in. So I was like, all right, now I'm with you guys. But I wasn't going to catch it when they was shooting it at the highs. So when they pulled back just now, I got a 905 fill. And I just took my last one, just got hit. But I'll take those all day above this 200 moving average. So yeah, I mean, it's just signal, go. I mean, if they come back down there again, I'll take another entry. But that low is... Oh, that's nothing. That means that the price is not... it's just I just front it's just over where price is at, so it's not like registering green or red. Yeah, yeah, that's nothing. But yeah, I would say that like taking longs up here is a little bit more riskier than taking them at demand. Um, just because we have that 2 minute supply and we got a 5 minute supply coming in. So will the market come back down hard? I think so. But if I get another signal, I'm going long, bro. Yeah. I really want a 5 minute signals. Those are the ones that really bang. Ooh, good exit. See? Fucking supply up there, bro. This was my entry. I should get in again. The risk is what? 95? The risk is 95. It's 10 points. Cancel all real quick. Yeah, that's where the buyers are at. This candle look like the Hikanachi might switch though. Make it 175. All right, this dude is done. And I only possibly continue to stop this shit. Wow. That entry would have been up 1 hour. There goes 2 hour. It's crazy. I think you gotta be careful up here though, man. Next target on this thing is 980, yo. Oh, I got another signal. Oh shit. I don't know why bearish is right here on my chart, but oh, let me change that. God damn it, I'm getting a 5 minute orange candle, guys. If that plays out, we going back to the bottom of the Bollinger Band, which is back to where we started from this morning. Wow. Shit might make me live. Bro didn't trade since 311. This can't be right. Yeah, I'm trying to find it. Nice. Wow. Cash, if you see that last chart, there was a second trigger that came in. Just had to get a location for that move. So who the fuck is calling? Where's it coming from? What the fuck is this? Let me jump in on this calendar top support Vegas. Oh, it was windy. Shit, my bad. Why didn't it pop up? Yeah, the phone team. I'm not sure. Somebody else must have picked it up. I'm all over the place, man. Focus. Oh my god, this shit went straight to supply. Hey Jason, good morning. Good, buddy. How about yourself? I realized I might have to like lean on you for a lot of this stuff, man. I did see yesterday. I think after I get to like the first part of entering the information from the docs. I think the next step was going into Trello. That's where everything just was like, whoa, 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 whoa.
The whole pipeline process is kind of in the sense that, like, you know, it's not like payouts where you have like a line of next one.
Yeah.
Live account, that's it.
Yeah.
So it takes a while to understand it, everything, and then when the process works, eventually get there, but it has to
Yeah, like you said, if we could just get the process down, then everything else is like, all right, cool. I know what to do, where to go, and then I guess all the different problems that may come in, I have my tools, right? I know exactly where to go to solve it. But like you mentioned, this is gonna take a while to kind of get my ducks in a row.
Yeah, I think right now is actually probably an instrument. Today we had a little bit more of a normal volume. Got about today.
Yeah. Hey, good morning, Tim. Good, good.
Just responded to this morning about the only for orders.
Yeah, it was a good signal there. Straight to supply. 891. 891. It's a 100-point move, right? It was 120. Would you consider that price action a bull flag where we were pausing at earlier? Yeah. Damn. I hate when I look at my my trades and my entries and exits are like minuscule, and I have no entries and exits on those big ass rallies. Like I totally missed that shit. Yeah. Exactly. And it's like, you know, you just got out of the trade, you want to cool off, you got to reassess. It is what it is, but I mean, they're good for the most part. I've been catching like exits on those big moves. It just, like you said, I was one way too early because when I took my long, I got a nice pop, but then we pulled all the way back. It looked like it would have probably stopped me out and then went. So trying to avoid that shit. Yeah. It's just flagging though. We get some really good flags today. I mean, you guys wouldn't consider this a flag because we don't have like a steady down lower low kind of setup, but yeah. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. Trying to go short here. Oh, you motherfucker. I'm trying to just go short based off of these signals that I'm seeing. And we also have 5 minute and 2 minute supply up there. And a 1 hour supply. Let me take a starter, man, before this shit just run down without me. It's gonna be a bigger loss if I get hit, but it's so hard to miss these. Make sure our stop is where it needs to be. I think this thing could make a pullback for that entire 5 minute candle that we got there. So back to like 929, and then we get some buyers that step in again. Oh shit, we got a green wedge. Get out. Get out. Yeah, but that's always been the case. Supply comes in, and I mean all day, right? Like supply and demand comes in all day. But in a bullish trend, we're gonna get the green wedges. Technically, I'm supposed to only take long since we're above the 200. I'm choosing to take the supply play down. So the signals have always come in every which way. Supply, trend triggers are trend triggers. You can choose to ignore supply. When I used to trade back in the day, I wouldn't even take trend triggers. I would just take supply and demand. Right? So like, again, this is not the edge setup. The edge is only take long setups right now until we get below that 855. If that makes any sense, you know what I mean? Like supply is always going to come in. And exactly. I'm up $77. I probably should take the run before that damn green wedge kicks in. We get this pushed down, but break the low of this if we on like on. Or we could do what we talked about, like if you're going against the edge, scalp that shit. Yeah, yep. I'd be getting in at lows and hoping that we break highs. This shit literally is stuck right there. He said he's gonna give you a call tomorrow, or he might try to come tomorrow and start the work. Make sure to stay on top of him. Oh man. This thing hit 4 targets from that fire. That's fun. Look at that. That's why you go with the motherfucking signals. It's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, yeah. Did it again, bro. This shit is nasty. Fire, bro. Hey, Benz, you take any of these triggers? For sure. This was nice. Definitely nice. All right. Just keep doing whatever you did to pass and get this payout, bro. Don't change shit, because I'm telling you, the minute you try to hold the trade, that shit will fuck around and tank all your profits. Like, oh man, I should have just been doing what I've been, what got me here. Exactly. Stay structured. Yeah. It's hitting almost. Yeah, it's hitting every standard deviation target. From the 914, I think I called the 980s. The next one is 249, and after that is 116. So, but I'm scared to try to keep taking longs when supply keeps coming in up here on a 5-minute. That shit kicks in. Yeah, I'm happy that we took back. We're back to like, previous days highs area. Yeah. Yeah, it was pretty up there. I'm trying to catch like a 200 entry. How did I lose that? That's crazy. Yeah, I'm down to do that. I get some practice and get in that first step at least. Better take your damn payout, boss. You can't deny it. If they call you to live, you'll be getting all of your accounts. Damn, boss. You'll be getting all of whatever accounts they call, the XFA accounts that they call. They'll take the balance of all of that and start your live account with that balance. Yeah, you can take 50% of your payout. If as long as you get like 5 winning days. And what else? That's really just it. You can take 50% of your payout. Right now, you can take 50% of your payout up until 5,000, whichever one is less. So, like right now, if you wanted to take that $8,000 payout, if you like say you made 10,000, let's say you made 15,000, or let's just do whole numbers, 20,000, and you wanted to take 50% of that, that's 10,000. You're gonna get denied. They're only gonna give you 5,000 per account. So in live, you could take 50% of your account without that $5,000 limit. As long as you have 5 winning days. When you get to 30 winning days, you can take daily payouts. Everything you're making right now is simulated money. When you go to live, they're starting you up with their cash account. It'll be your account, but with our cash. Yeah. So the point is, but you'll only have one. So disadvantage is you'll no longer be able to copy trade. You'll only have one cash account. The second thing is, yeah, I mean, second thing.
General, you'll see.
Yep. We had two good signals here that paid out. Yeah, I didn't really have any take the trade signals other than the ones I showed. And once that shit go up, yeah. I got another trigger, bro. Another 2-minute trigger. All the triggers up here is going to be long. The only shorts that I would see is like at supply. So we are getting those supplies, but we're breaking right through them shits. One of the things I've been looking at is a breakout retest go. So like if it breaks out the supply and the line turns green, I need to be able to get in on that bull flag. The problem is the risk is fucking shitty. If I risk going all the way back down, I think for a move like that, LMB, I'm gonna have to take the first candle that breaks the high and just take what I can on the breakout, because There's no way I'm gonna get in at supply, turn demand, and then fucking risk the swing low. That shit is a huge move, a huge stop. But the first candle that breaks a new high, it looks like a pretty good setup. Yeah, I'm a trail this down move right here. The first time they break this trend line, I'm gonna take this signal. See if we can continue to go up to 15-minute area up there at 140. We're hitting these targets though from the 980s. I called like 240s. This shit went to 251. Crazy. Next level is 118. I just don't want to get caught with that 5-minute pullback. When that 5-minute gets straight and they don't break the highs, this shit's coming down. Oh shit. I don't want to do.
I noticed when most
Now that looks good. Email. So we can get the email from. They didn't break the trend line yet, so if you want to short, this is where you would short. Yeah, I got a 2-minute trend line to the downside. Trying to track how far down it would go. Good morning. Mm-hmm. Hello. For sure. 50K plus 500. This thing's about to tank if it breaks it low. There we go. There we go. Push it, bitch. Push it, bitch. Ooh-wee. Jesus. Christmas. There we go. There we go. Damn. 5-minute trigger. Fuck. Hey guys, really quickly, the earn date again is today. Yeah. Yo, LMD. I just did what you fucking did the other day, bro. I took the short setup at the trend line, got the fucking move, did not get out, and then the trigger for longs kicked in when I said it, and now look at this move. Stop me out. Just go with the trend. When I was telling you yesterday, like, bro, just wait for shorts. Just fucking go. Oh, that's fucking wicked. That's fucking wicked. That is funny shit right there, yo. And they broke the trend line on that pump up. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, those two guys are awesome. So you guys don't hit ready to export yet, right? Like you guys will double check it.
Yeah, we want to wait until all of them are done.
Okay, cool.
That column that's really covering over the column. That should be like what's going on there. Right now, and then for the other things, wait for that and then drag it over the top.
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
The what? The email template that we did. We have to do that for each individual account that we're onboarding. Yeah, we're gonna have just we were going straight on this.
You're gonna organize the chart by lead volume, by the platform, and then put by those specific platforms for just those single traders that from those. So it'll be settled. Yeah, so like plus 500, then they'll approve it, and then they'll reply to our email, and then they'll assign us the next class, and then we'll plug it in.
Bro put his.
We'll have to include.
This guy put his date of birth as like 20/03/1984. We would just convert that to 03/20, right? Yeah. He must have missed it.
Like, if they have one that's not discernible, like if they were on May 4th or something, can't tell if it's May 4th or April 5th, depending on the way that their IDs are always at the bottom. So you just look at their or what it actually is.
Mm-hmm. Today is such a great example of yesterday my edge wasn't so clean, right? It was clean. We caught every up move for the reasons by following the rules. But when we got hit with a down move, we burned a lot of capital, just the experience, right? Because there was a lot of chop before we actually started running. And today we have a clean trend that's been happening for over 2 hours. And the minute you switch up trying to go against it, you miss out on all these higher highs. And from the first signal that came in at 19,900, we're now at like 2,100. So capturing 200 points, you just kind of follow the edge. Like very little drawdown, very little stop hunt, and a clean 230-something points from every single one of these signals. It's crazy. Wait, what'd you say? You caught the long, got stopped out, went long again?
guess that's with him in particular. It's like starting off after that for a while. After yeah, building wrong on the building wrong on his own profiles. Most likely typo, and that's
For the time being, I wouldn't worry about it. That can be a payout problem, that can be a price problem, but for right now, I would just try to take the stock for a while. But yeah, I'm gonna hop out of here for a few minutes. My head and also after this video, they're all done. Bye.
He's now gonna add on 170. Ooh.
But yeah, it's definitely not.
Copy. Just do control. Oh, I can't believe that, yo. Beautiful, bro. What are you talking about? Trade of 8, 50K.
Yeah, and this is actually a lot of stuff, but this Augustine, whatever the actual was, it's actually a good example. We always base their account size from the largest account that's getting sent over, and that account is as well as the transfer. That's not and it has we're always
Try to see if I can catch a fucking right side of the trade now. Oh, come on, for fuck's sake. Oh, and it's coming down hard. I know it.
we've had it one thousand X platform reaction with them on. And we never just won. There was a guy who had like 30,000 in a trade of 80.
And the retest for the up move is insane.
If I would have guessed on it, I probably
Bless you, brother. Yeah. We can catch a move back to the upside here, guys. Complete botch. Complete botch. Oh my god, I got so much wood to chop.
So quickly, I could actually show you guys again what I did here. But so this column would have been blank. This column is like press button now. So normally I'll wait about I like to sell, drag it down. And you're gonna have to do this with
Getting another buy setup here.
I have like another row at the bottom. This information will populate this formula. So this row that I just added doesn't have the formula yet. So if I click past FX, okay, none of this stuff populates. Drag the formulas down that way too, and then it'll start to populate. So like as you add more rows to the spreadsheet, just make sure you're copying the formulas down and keeping everything.
Yeah, I think for that drag, Jason, you could probably take like the last two rows, but take all of the columns.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, that way you don't have to do them one by one. But I think you're gonna need two of the rows.
That just goes whatever, but yeah, so it's just this is it, like you guys copy information from the documents and then you always start from the bottom, and then I like just for make sure nothing that's I kind of I don't know.
This is top of the trend line. Yeah. Okay, slow down here for me, bud. All right, Jason, just run through this part slowly. Everything else I got. This is where I got lost. So you're going through every individual Trello that was exported from the sheet, and you're just doing the checklist and the label for that, right? And
unfortunately,
that's okay, but I'm trying to figure out how you why you're selecting which one. Like, so you're going into it, you're hitting the checklist, then yeah.
One person everyone else is FX.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
then you can go instead of that
Okay.
checklist, take a database checklist, and then instead of that label, they're not all going to pop up, stay at trade date. If any one of these funded, plus 500 previously funded, or an interest trader, and that's just kind of our way to help keep track of the fact that we already had an account with that brokerage. So
Yeah. So checklist, top step X, no plus 500 for checklist, top step X for label when it's. All right.
Yeah. And you can always verify if you're ever like wondering, at least you guys will get a hang of it quickly. But if you're ever like, oh, like what am I supposed to do? Just free to like literally go down on it, like a top step X account, click on their thing and be like, oh, well, this is the plus 500 checklist, and then they have these two labels, and you try to give yourself that reminder of like that's what you need to put on there.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it comes over from the card. So, like you said, we can look at the top, and if it's top step X, checklist equals plus 500, label equals top step X. That seems pretty straightforward.
And this is only corrected. So, like, let's say, you can always use something here. It's not like or if I was like on the top step X label, okay. You don't have to worry like because it's more accurate, but if you have stuff on it, so
That's good to know. Oh my God. Mm-hmm.
So for these, there's going to be different templates for different accounts. So what we have the X and two accounts plus 500, and you're going to see it's going to include this template here. It's got this three with the photo ID, and line separate them. So one of how many accounts we set up, higher than much account, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts, right? That's just template for once.
Where'd you get the template from? Okay.
I always look at the end of it, differentiate what happens.
So Jason, you counted 7, and where'd you get this template from?
So these are going to be on the
I got you.
so whenever email, I can another one to start everything else find message. And there are quite a few actually that message templates, and it's also saying that as well. At the bottom of the email, there's templates, which is going to show you ones that you've already created, and then it's going to show you save draft as templates. So hypothetically, if I were to type anything random in here, it doesn't matter, stuff from configuration, and then go and highlight this template, draft template, save template. That's how you whatever this template. When you save these templates, email signature, because email signature automatically adds whatever emails part of the template. Otherwise, you have to close.
I see what you mean.
So that you'll get used to which templates in a while. Like you said, which work for but I know it is a lot at once. You don't need to memorize all of it like immediately. So this is what I kind of do to get set up for myself. Plus my life, my other screen that I have Proton Mail open on my other monitor, and all we're going to do here is go right plus my one way. This is that information that's and highlight all of this. Here, and then you want to do control shift. So like this is the correct formatting. I'll show you. Kind of copies over like just weird highlight, font color, and everything. So just for this control shift. This is obviously can't spell his own name. And then you just go to when you open up his screen, always look at the last one. Go really quickly. Just take a screenshot of it. And that's one of the cool stuff. For sake of organization, after I put their template on the email, after I put their heading in the email, I check off this little box that says post and no breach. I know I haven't entered this email yet. This is one at a time. I've already put this person on the email.
Taking some longs down here.
That's not that works for me, but that's just what I do. Sometimes you see these where this is actually more longer. It's going to close. Here's actually so we'll do this person next. So I got you. That's the same thing with the little spelling card.
Nice.
That's why we spelling card. Separate the questions together. This template in there. Agreement. So you're going to notice this guy, his ID rotated. So all you need to do is this little button here on the side of Adobe Sign. That's just rotated and an actual thing. And it's legible the way that it's supposed to be.
Probably don't have enough room to break through this damn trend line though. That's a good signal right there though.
this part by I kind of just that bit, but I don't ask. But for me, it's a lot easier to get right the box. I know that once as opposed to having to like look through this list and then the reason this person here they ended up sending it that little file there. They sent it 5 times. Yes, but I personally like to again, it's personal preference, it doesn't matter, but this is where I'm pulling all this from. So this next guy, that's nice. Like, really? Like this thing.
Okay, good.
So this guy. It's bottom, this side details again last. Not all of them. And then having all of this stuff over. Once you put all this stuff there, we're also going to account for account for plus 500. Also look for just something of over like in house. And so we run out of time on that. But here's the
Yeah, no, this is good so far. So this area right here in the cello card, where you have them all together, this right here. Yeah. Can you show me how you pull that up real quick?
You're clicking on the Trello card itself.
Mm-hmm.
And you still show more. And then the plus 500 points, the last step there.
Mm-hmm.
And then it has all the so this ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
And there are specific templates that's where I don't call it that we would use to actually like basically copy over the risk parameters, but plus 500 does this for us. Okay, and that's basically all they know that template, and it's going to put all the correct parameters. Here, so now I'm just on my other monitor right now. For and so you get like every bit of the idea if they send something like this where they have like passport that has here like this is
All right, thank you.
Downloads, edit them for like go with the date and how many accounts you're spending. Go edit the forms. But you'll continue to use those.
still, yeah, it means rolling.
Yeah, and also kind of things that I do as I'm as usual.
There's pretty much enough examples in each step of the 7-point process. Still time to kind of show all of
This
it.
guy's ID, they might reject as a scam. Maybe probably not. It's legible, but they usually prefer physical photos as opposed to the ones. But if you ever get like, it's like I actually thought this was and I just put on the trader and tell them like this.
Oh,
The way Matt phrased it, pointed out, it's a little bit more direct and on the second type. You can't use this separate and right. Like, be quiet about it or get this shit.
run me a new ID, motherfucker. Nah.
Now I have a folder where I download folder that's forms. So I have all of these and your funding rates in your life sometimes people will ask me this. I've had one person ask me this. I've only had to do this once. Typical like put your name in here, whatever. We're here for new accounts, so plus 500. Best form, very straightforward. Actually fill in. It's not request account numbers, 7, asking for 7 accounts for 7 people. And then just today's date, 2025. A little download button up here. And I always do 120, 125. Save it. And then that. Attach it really quickly. It's going to be at the top of the download it, verify it, download it there. That's pretty much it. So you got the form, attach it on. Always the one so send it, like put the correct ID in the correct place. That's not even and as long as you have like they're always going to new accounts or broker coming in plus 500. So you'll just get used to seeing that. And I can show you how to show you create tag people. So I can just select this group and copy all the Jonathan, Jasper, got Matt, Cole, Jasper, got Brett. I mean, anyone that uses which is going to take a little bit of time every time something comes out. Okay, so this is new accounts. Fire that off.
So when Tammy, when you sent those, it looks like they're just PDFs. Like we can't really interact with those, like you're doing right there. Yeah.
No, it's enough shit. So now I would consider us done. All of these gotten docs moved over. We've gotten their ID from something over. And now we're like forward. And that lies on folder. Basically just has and then pretty much got here, not size A, this still has some. So we're going to take the low value, separate nicely. The bottom, whoever, their name, his name, whoever it is, in the next available, get their email. Same thing, post it there, and then while you're at it, you're going to want to go ahead and also open up their admin.
24.
Oh, that is so else sometime.
That one I did. That could have been one that I did.
So somehow, I don't think we actually have that.
Wait, I think we do. I did that one.
Something the cards messed up things. We'll go back to
Wait, what?
So I think we can stop. But yes, we can change that on the card. That'll be okay. So this is cool. Actually go into double click and actually edit this really quickly. I'm actually going to all of these places. Make sure we don't do stuff. And then I want to make sure
What document were you saying we didn't have? Because we have our live funded account, live funded agreement.
we have Sohail, we don't have Sherry, and that's Sherry's.
So hell, we don't have Sherry. I'm a little confused there.
Okay, so Sohail is a guy.
Mm-hmm. So hell, Sahani.
11. We'll make sure we have 4 ash marbles. Okay, so all the other information is correct. We wrong name and the wrong email here.
Oh, yeah, I see what I did.
So we just need to correct as well. So we're following. I will get correct email there.
Okay.
traders, you also have to put it here. It has the high, and then on the move fund switch, it has the high. So there's a lot of different places to do this number once we get it. You don't have to do them in any particular order. I try to do it all at once when I count them, so I don't forget. It's not the end of the world. And what that
Yeah, I probably was under the wrong trader since I was looking at the wrong name.
Oh yeah, he's going to be looking at step X actually.
My bad, guys.
On that. Size. It's all stuff like I can just fix this manually. Or should we just archive this card and create a new card?
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that.
Okay, that.
Yeah, put it up there.
I don't know. Just for sake of tracking.
Yeah.
Let's leave it as it was. I'm actually going to get rid of this.
And then do
Do another dot. So I'm actually going to now. No, I understand. What I'm doing is every time you type another comfortable, another line come on here, I just another line come on. So on the funded trader, what I'm trying to correct and the wrong a lot of places right now. So this, I don't know what I should do with this. I'm going to do this for a second, but
yeah, that one. I know this happened last before.
Could have copied all the row first, but yeah. Yeah, it wasn't trade evade. Your funded trade of 2024 looks a little bit different than mine. The one where you were, I'll show you when you get there again. 100, yeah.
That's why I don't want to use them anymore. Just I found that setting with multiple emails around the same time is usually when the responses start getting a little slow or used. So I'm gonna let them. Since they open up the wrong themselves, they haven't had any under the wrong thing. Back, not so bad. So nothing was plus by one.
Yeah, yeah. That's I don't have that like orange area you have there. It says funded trade of 2024. Yeah.
Can you try to refresh maybe?
Control refresh. The one that. Yeah. So the one that I have is where we when we're actually dragging all the information over from the Adobe docs, we can go in here to look at the email and the username. Shows like. Yes. Yes. Okay. Got you. Okay. Tab. Okay. I see now. I'm with you. So you would go to, once you're done with all the transfer stuff, you would go to funded, and I saw you making some adjustments there.
Yeah, the reason I don't know exactly. So I
Mm-hmm.
So this person may very well end up ask them to send over tomorrow, or we might say after they send over the other accounts. I just don't want them to get confused with the current request. So I can always send them, whenever they give us the other 7, I can get this last one over to them. Yes. Yeah. That's pretty really cool. Stuff. Actually get a trade account. So from here, once you send all that it says what's that actually possible and color right now. Yeah, it's actually not very good, which is kind of unusual for accounts. Most people pay like thing, but so right here, all we have here. So I'm gonna go into this part, and this is all the actual part of the color, which you're looking for is on this on the bottom. Going back to that, so that you're always going to copy from the top of the color card on the card and sometimes you see like all caps and now just back to the card and authorize. Then you have how much you can pay. Pay in their respective column. And this first column for about 90%. And this person also because those people don't really trade anything other than other people's symbols. I mean, I'm gonna have to pull S and probably I don't think. I was already up a long time. So I part of I got this about it. Not an highlight the row. Let's go for it. Row. Look at that. Go back to the bar. I know this is part of the health documents as also all these parts go to the same place. Because they're all touch the head. Top of actual category itself. All parts of having on how that exact order as involved. No plus biology. Plus 4 on the plus 500 side, and then there's actually, or I think plus 15 actually let me move the funds for Roslyn. I was hoping the week I was going to get them until right about noon. They are, but I'm not. So we're just going to do Roslyn.
Sounds good. All right. Jason, thanks for that, man. I feel like I definitely moved to the next step here. The Trello cards.
Yes, I'm assuming this is going to end up being, it was the exact same for me in that age when we were done this. B is he's really in and out pretty sporadically. You know, something will just put me in the middle of something, and then something pops up, gotta go, and it is what it is. So we'll make sure everyone gets brought up to speed.
Yeah, for sure.
Peter, you know, by the way, David Peter wants this morning.
I know when I sent that message last time, it was on
I can't imagine on our side, and I know it was we adjusted.
Where is
Yeah. I wish we sent it back. Okay, yeah.
Hear me like that.
Yeah.
I need to wash the dishes.
What? Yo, what?
Let me put my towel. Bro, come on. He was sleeping, bro. Man, all I got to say is poor execution, poor execution, poor execution. Can't be mad because I think it happens from time to time, but it's just nuts that once I got into that, once I took that loss, when I finally decided to go long and they dragged my ass, when I finally decided to go long here, first of all, no pivot signals, right? No wedge. It was, oh, let me try to get in at this little bridge or this little kind of rest area here, see if we get another fucking leg up. And that shit said doo-doo-doo. And that should have been my first sign. Blue candles, don't fuck with those. Anyways, this would have been my first area of interest to go long. That got stopped out. Blue candles, don't fuck with them. White candles came in. We know that buyers are down here because it's unusual volume. We get in at a good location. Our stop was fine. We got a nice, I think, 1 point something R out of that. Right? So that's 1 R. Almost 2 R out of that, right? Almost got 2 R out of that trade. Instead of taking that profit, I ended up adding right here, added on this way back down. This next move up was my last stop. Had I changed the trend line that I originally had, we would have been able to probably capture a lot of this, right? And what often happens is I end up taking so much size that this next move right here took me out. No edge here, no edge. Take another trade, took me out. Totally have edge here. Tried to get in on this pullback. They missed my entry right here, and the shit takes off almost 100 points. It's like man, it's hard, man. This shit is hard. So I tried to get in at the break, retest of this line, snaps up. Didn't FOMO, and then I got in right here. There's no signal, right? So why get in? At the end of the day, I'm just trying to get in on the bull run. That's really it. But I got in with one contract. Should be up right now, but just complete disastrous day of trading. I think we're gonna have those from time to time, but it started out in the morning when I was trying to short our bull setup. And we're really far away from that bull setup, which is what's more or less disappointing. During this type of condition, I should be able to capture that type of experience with no problem, because all we're doing is like kind of getting these green wedges, right? And this is giving us an area, a decent pullback during the initial move to like kind of get in to see if the next leg goes up, right? And again, just didn't take advantage of that the way I should have, which is okay. So here we are, not taking whatever this risk was, and now we're back to, you know, it was 53. We got in at what, 26, 27, 26, went up to 53. So that's at least 1 R. But yeah, let's go in. Oh fuck, I didn't catch it at the lows, but I now put the house on it because now it's another pullback. Let's see if we get another move back up there or if we're gonna get stopped out. But just, we do have a green wedge here. I don't know where that came from. Oh, that was a different pullback. So we do have this area getting defended. Let's see if we get a move back to the upside. If not, they're gonna get cooked and we'll go back down to lows where I really wanted my entry. But here we go. Yeah. I'm really liking these buy signals. These are coming in from a certain price action that I like to see. It's too much to explain. You guys don't really get the technical parts anyway, so it doesn't matter. It's proprietary. I use that term to sound smart, but yeah, man, some really good trades today that we just did not capitalize on, and then we're just executing poorly. This will get stopped out at some point. You know, I'm not going to let them drag me too far, but see how this plays out. You know, I don't want to call you Muhammad, but let's have a technical issue on 312, and he's ooh. Oh shit. I don't know what just hit the market, but that was crazy. I'm probably the only trader. Just curious, do you guys keep your Proton notification on? That was no, David? Mm-hmm. Yeah, all right, good. I'm seeing all of them come through, and I'm just like, I don't think we need to care.
benefit. Try to go over this more depth when the time comes, but what we're talking about is once these events are once we have sold from whatever brokerage, what's that much, whatever else down there, then we can fund now. That's starting balances. So this end balance here, going on traders, that's for the live match up with column check. So this number what else? Okay. Maybe that's column.
They added so like they adjust
Okay, so this is column check.
yeah, but
Yeah, so in a perfect world, this amount is always going to match transfer amount for that one, minus 1 penny, essentially, depending where. So this always kind of wanted to double check when processing that whatever's balance below matches with admin, and then that is what ends up getting cumulative total of all the total possible for balance. Actually, argument's sake, just laws. Right. This might have been the trader, I think, Matt, that you messaged him about yesterday, who was able to open accounts.
it's possible, yeah.
Man, I was banging on all the trades I was in. I just never took profit. Every trade I took today, I was banging. Never took profit. That bitch crazy. And I went full tilt on the last one, trying to make it all back. I was down $2 grand, went up $900. Didn't take that shit. He said, "All right, thank you." And that's when it was like, all right, I just kept hitting the what do they call that thing? The liquidity. I kept getting a marginal call. Yeah. Don't play that shit. Because I'm trading at like with the right balance. I started out with 2, got the shit up to like 3,006, and then yesterday I saved it. Today, didn't work the same way. Yeah, I think that's what I might do, just in the sake of like not start. That's nothing. That's great. It's a great deal. Yeah. And that's easy. Yeah. Yeah, but it's $100 versus like putting $2 grand and then blowing that shit up. Yeah. Yeah, I plan on doing something next week, whether it's my own account or I'll do that. But I'm definitely getting back in the market this week. I think I got most of it out of my system. All the testing, looking at what I need to look at, experiencing. So yeah, like the thing about this condition that happened yesterday and it happened today is that in a bull market, when we're pulling back to the 50 or the 200, it doesn't really matter. If I take the setup, I gotta take what the market gives me on almost every trade. It doesn't, because like I'm never gonna know whether the market's gonna flip into this condition or whether we're gonna do what this morning did. This morning we were in a squeeze, so that. Yeah, I mean, for me, it's the same way. 2R. But I'm not taking everything out. I'm taking one out, and I'm trying to like trail the runner. And it works. When like this morning squeeze, I would have been a part of it all the way up because the Heikanatsu would have kept me in there. It's just in the condition that I'm trying to go long in when we're pulling back to the 50. That shit will take you back down, and the Heikanatsu will save you. So it would be a green trade, not as much as getting out at the top, but I'm always taking some off at the top regardless. So just have to keep in mind, do not break the Heikanatsu rule, and that account is going to balloon. Occasionally you'll get in and immediately you get stopped out, but 90% of the trades were green. And I just let it come back on me. And then this morning, I ended up sending the account into a red state because it's a drawdown, because I was going against the code. So don't go against the code and follow the Heikanatsu are the only 2 rules I got to follow, and just don't oversize. I'm going to max out at 3. the one thing I wanted to do this week that I didn't do was, what is your daily loss limit, like, that you will respect? And I think it's going to be somewhere around $500 to $600. 300 is just not enough for me. I think, like, if I take 3 contracts and I lose 120, then I take another trade and I lose another 120. We're at like what, 240. So I get one more trade in there, which isn't bad. I think that's not bad. You get 3 losses in a row, cut the fucking day off. I don't know. I mean, if I started out with like 2K account, that's what, almost 50% would be 1,000. That's around 30%. I can't think of it. I could scale down, instead of 3, take 1, and I'll lose 40% per trade. So that's close to like the 10% range, which I could do for the first couple of the weeks until I, kind of get it up. Matter of fact, I could do that. Just take one contract until, just to get the account up.
And we're flipping from Sim to S for the order routing. Now you have to use the account number and the platform account, and it's going to automatically populate this.
Yeah.
Click it, and the platform name, paste the account name. Same thing.
Yeah. It's kind of cool though. Oh wow, bro! Wow, absolute wow.
I don't know why that happens, but it does.
So confused about that, but okay.
Wherever we're going to go to confirm up here at the top, users, and then what we need to do is actually add. So it's the same thing, the little pencil icon every time you edit, and this is the right person. I didn't put the username.
Yeah.
But yes, put the username, pop up here, same thing, Solace, and it just
yeah, I hear it.
By default, they already have the regular CME. That's like top of book for level 1 data. They use CME professional. That's what we pay for. So going here to subscriptions, you'll see it's always going to be one of or multiple of eventually 4 at the bottom. So this guy is just CME. So we're going to click CME professional, attach it, and submit changes. And then you should see a pop up here, CME Pro, and he is 100% good to go. This trader is, their account is live. And the last thing we need to do is just send them the credentials.
Hey Jason, if he wasn't CME Pro, like, we would know that how? Like,
so on his Trello card, and this is all information that we're updating as we go through the pipeline, right? So
got you.
It's kind of a lot looking at it like all at once, but as we're going through, when we're doing those data payments right at the beginning, we're marking every exchange that we paid for. So
okay.
Hypothetically, and I'll delete these, but like let's say he paid for Comex, for NYMEX, whatever, all of that would be up here. And ideally, anyway, that would be up there. And then, it's again, the information is accurate then across all the different, the Trello, the spreadsheets, whatever. So it's not just on here. It's also going to be on the funding statements 2024. If you check out your name, see there what they paid for. But as long as we